also 1.5 crore people are working from different states. They are also the workers. Korea should take you as migrant workers. Migrant workers from different states. They are also working here. If they get full respect, then why you disrespect our West Bengal people? They belong to India. They have all identity with them. Without the identity, you don't allow the identity. And just saying you are speaking Bengali, so you are Bangladeshi. This has become a very simple issue now. Every day it is going on. Just last week we rescued so many boys and girls. They were put back to Bangladesh. Because we have the website and we have 22 lakhs migrant workers. They work in different places. We are always saying them that please come back. No need. 1.5 crore outsiders and migrant workers are working here. So if they get the respect, you can also get the respect. Sometimes you have to consider India is a country. Unity in diversity is our origin. Now if you want the model work, then you have to bring the migrant worker from the Rajasthan. If you want some typical type of work, you have to bring the migrant worker from other states. Like this, the gold work, goldsmith, especially, the golden work, the textile work, the construction worker, Bengal workers are doing very well. So it is not that from themselves they have gone. They have gone because the contractor, it is because of contractor they went along with contractor. They have got official tender and all this.
Skill.
Because of their skill. Because skill we are number one. Now some states sometimes ask the skilled workers, the skilled laborers. But if this is going on, then I think everybody will protest. Everybody will be on the road. This is something very dangerous game is going on. I think Prime Minister doesn't know this. So I want to bring it to the PM's notice that every BJP state they are behaving like this. They are original Indian and they are not Bangladeshi. They belong to West Bengal. Bengali language is an official language. It is also our official language, our mother tongue. And Swami Vivekananda, to Rabindranath Tagore, to Nazrul, to Netaji, all they. It was their language also. And West Bengal is a state. You cannot deprive the state. There may be same language in so many countries. India, some people speak Urdu. They speak in other countries also Urdu. Do you think that for that reason you can just push back to other country? Tamil people they speak Tamil. Sri Lankan people also, few people speak Tamil. So can you push them back to Sri Lanka? Like these Gorkha people, they speak Nepali. So can you push them to Nepal? Is it fair? It is total unfair. It is their government. It is not my duty. It is their duty to take care. They have their SD, they have their BSF, they have their state government, they have their CFA, they have their CRPF, they have their all the agencies. If I know from my source, then they do not know. Let them query. Delhi also happened the same thing. Madhya Pradesh also happened the same thing. Even now Rajasthan.
Didi.
You see? They stuck up here. Rajasthan. 300, 400 people. Just now, because we have the website and we have some system, so we have got this information right now. And I instructed my chief secretary to talk to our assistant secretary. Every day it is going, every day, every hour. हिंदुस्तान एक बड़ा देश है, इसमें हर भाषा का लोग रहते हैं, जो इंडिया में स्वीकृत है, हर जाति का लोग रहते हैं, हर धर्म का लोग रहते हैं, हर वर्ण का लोग रहते हैं, इसीलिए कि इंडिया का एक सेकुलरिज्म परंपरा है। लेकिन बीजेपी का अभी कहना है वो भाषा का राजनीति नहीं कर रहा है। बंगाल के खिलाफ तो ऐसे तो चलता है, क्यों मेरे को पता नहीं है, लेकिन साथ साथ में बंगाल का जो माइग्रेंट वर्कर है हर स्टेट में उसको ले जाता है काम करने के लिए बिकॉज ऑफ देयर स्किल। लेकिन वो जो बांग्ला भाषा में बात करते हैं वो हिंदी भाषा में भी बात करते हैं, लेकिन आपस में जब बांग्ला भाषा में बात करते हैं घर का आदमी का साथ, तो उसको बांग्लादेशी कह के बांग्लादेश में पुशबैक करते हैं। ऐसे बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट अभी हमारे पास आया और उसको ले आया। लेकिन आज भी ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ कि 300-400 लोगों को राजस्थान में भवन में रुक के अटक करके रख दिया। ये क्या हो रहा है? They have their own identity. They are not Bangladeshi. They are from Bengal, and Bengal is a state of India, and it's a democratic elected government is there, and democratic state is a federal structure. बांग्लादेश में बांग्ला भाषा बंगाली लैंग्वेज कहते हैं, हमारा लैंग्वेज भी कहते हैं, तो क्या ये हमारा अपराध है? नेपाल में भी गोरखा भाषा में बात करते हैं, नेपाली भाषा में करते हैं, तो दार्जिलिंग में भी, कालिम्पोंग में भी, कार्सियांग में भी, सिक्किम में भी गोरखा भाषा नेपाली भाषा में बात करते हैं। जैसे उर्दू लैंग्वेज में लखनऊ में बात करते हैं, दिल्ली में भी बात करते हैं, और बहुत सारे कंट्री उसमें भी बात करते हैं। तमिलनाडु में अगर तमिल लैंग्वेज में बात करते हैं तो श्रीलंका में भी ऐसा परंपरा है। इसमें तो ये नहीं हुआ है कि बंगाल का लोग देखो और पिटा के भगा दो। हमारा इधर में भी 1.5 करोड़ से ज्यादा लोग हैं जो माइग्रेंट वर्कर है हर राज्य का। हम तो ऐसा नहीं करते हैं, हम सबको पसंद करते हैं, सबको सम्मान करते हैं, तो हमारा लोगों का सब क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है?
दीदी पीएम मोदी का दीदी बंगाल और बंगालियों से क्या एलर्जी है दीदी? इतना
पीएम मोदी का पता है कि नहीं है, ये मेरे को पता नहीं है, लेकिन उसका स्टेट कर रहा है और बीजेपी पार्टी कर रहा है।